Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to share this garlic mayo chicken and no boring rice recipe with you. So I hope you stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I make it. Let's get started. Here I have got some butter that I'm putting inside my blender, and to that I will be adding some onion, garlic, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and of course my mayo, the main thing, and some maggi cube as well. I blended that and I'm just going to transfer that into my bowl here. And to this I will be adding some Aromat, as you can see here, chili pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and also black pepper, as well as some salt to taste. And I'm also going to add a little bit of sage, just a tiny bit, because it's very strong, so I don't want that to overpower the whole thing. I added that and I'm just mixing together to make sure it's well combined. And now I'm just adding my chicken to the mixture. Once that is done, I'm going to make sure that it's well coated, and I'm going to cover with a cling film and place in the fridge for about an hour or two for it to be well infused. After about an hour and a half, I am now going to place in a preheated oven on 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. So now going on my rice, I am just heating up some oil on a medium heat, and then add my sliced onion. I am going to saute that for about 3 minutes. And to that, I'll add my tomato paste. It's homemade, so I am not going to be frying this for too long. If yours is not a homemade, make sure that you fry until it is very well caramelized and has come together. If not, it's going to taste bitter. So I am just adding a few seasoning to these. I will list everything down below in the description box. Guys, if today is your first time joining me on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see yummy recipes and other amazing things cooking on this channel. So I'm adding some salt now and a little bit of water. Then I'm going to cover this and slowly simmer for about 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to go in and add my washed rice. I'm using 2 cups of basmati rice, and I am just stirring that together to make sure it's well combined. Then I'm just adding some water from the meats. I just rinse up the goodies inside the bowl and I'm adding that. I'm not wasting anything at all. So I'm mixing that together, and then I am going to cover and bring it to a boil for about 5-8 minutes. Then I'm going to lower the heat and slowly simmer the rice with a steam. Now, going back to my chicken halfway through, I'm just turning that over to make sure that the other end cooks evenly as well. So I've just removed some of the infused sauce or liquid from the chicken, added that to the rice, and I'm just going to stir and mix that together with the rice, and I'll cover and cook slowly on a low heat for about 20-25 minutes. So the rice is ready and the chicken is also ready. Everything is ready to be served. Guys, this is so easy and quick to make. You can have this for lunch or dinner, and you can call this a quick feast. So I have some shito, aka black chili pepper at home, and some stew as well, but you don't really need stew to actually eat this, so I'm going to just add a dash of it, and I'm serving this with some sauteed vegetable as well. The whole thing combined is just so delicious. And guys, I hope you liked it. Please, if you do, thumbs up for me, share this video, and comment down below in the description box. I really appreciate what you guys are doing for me, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.